मैं मौल्लिम हूँ, तदरीस है मेरा शेवा, ना महज़्ज़ब को मैं तहज़ीब की ज़ू देता हूँ। मेरी हस्ती है ज़िया ख़ल्क़ो मुरव्वत का चराग़, मेरी हस्ती है ज़िया ख़ल्क़ो मुरव्वत का चराग़, मैं ज़माने को नए अज़्म की लू देता हूँ। Ladies and gentlemen, the galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, invited guests, teachers, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Afia, your host. A very warm good evening to one and all present here. How different is this evening? Dear audience, you will discover yourself as the colors of cultural feast unfold. Well, my first and foremost duty on behalf of SS English Academy is to welcome all of you on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Imagine a world without teachers. It would be like a sky without stars, a ship without a captain, and a story without a plot. Teachers are the unsung heroes who quietly lay the foundation of the future, brick by brick, lesson by lesson. देखा ना कोह कुन कोई फरहाद के बग़ैर, देखा ना कोह कुन कोई फरहाद के बग़ैर, आता नहीं है फ़न कोई उस्ताद के बग़ैर. Today we are gathered here not just to celebrate Teachers' Day but to express our heartfelt gratitude to those who have been our mentors, our second parents. But why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September? This day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a brilliant philosopher, scholar and second president of India. As your host, we have planned a day filled with heartfelt speeches and exciting performances to make this day memorable for teachers and students. To begin this celebration, let's start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the source of all wisdom and blessings. For this, I would like to invite Siddiqui Khuzaima to recite few verses of the Holy Quran.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. हुवल्लाहुल्लज़ी ला इलाहा इल्ला हुवल हय्युल क़य्यूम. हुवल्लाहुल्लज़ी ला इलाहा इल्ला हु आलिमुल ग़ैबि वश्शहादति हुवर रहमानुर रहीम. हुवल्लाहुल ख़ालिक़ुल बारिउल मुसव्विरुल गफ़्फ़ारुल क़हारुल वह्हाबुर रज़्ज़ाक़ुल फ़त्ताह. आलिमुल ग़ैबि वश्शहादति हुवर रहमानुर रहीम. सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम.
Jazakallah Khuzaima. Now it's an honor to introduce our esteemed judge for today's event, Ms. Aisha Arif Sheikh, with a bachelor's degree in psychology and currently pursuing clinical psychology. Ma'am has deep understanding of human behavior and the complexities of learning. Ma'am has taught at Ansari Farid School too. I welcome you, ma'am, and it's an honor to have you as a judge today. Now I request Ramsha to please felicitate ma'am with the token of love and appreciation. जहाँ रहेगा वही रोशनी लुटाएगा, किसी चराग का अपना मकान नहीं होता. Please give a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, before calling the participant, I want to tell the rules. So rules are very simple. You just have to complete your speeches within 3 minutes. And if you exceed the time limit, you will be disqualified. So now I want to call the first participant. Ma'am, please bring one sheet. 9. On serial number 9, we have Ansari Gufran. He will present speech.
Hello everyone, my name is Ansari Gufran and today I am going to talk about the importance of teachers in our life. So let's get started. First of all, when you heard the word teachers, what comes in your mind? You might say that teachers is who teach us in a school, in a college, but for me it's more than that. Teachers is the person who changed my life completely. Let me tell you a short story about my life. When I was just kid, I used to study in my village, our hometown. When I was in a fifth standard, I hate to go to school. I don't like study. My mother used to beat me, go to school. If you don't go, I will beat you. That's why I go to school. And there was a teacher who was a good teacher, but whenever he asked the question, he always start with me, like stand up, answer my question. I was like, why me? There is so many people, why me? And I can't answer him because I feel very scared when he say stand up. And then he punished me, and that's why I hate the school. Then I came to Bhivandi for a vacation. I was just wandering around, so my father got my admission in a school. So that was a turning point of my life because in that school, the teachers were cool, very dedicated, funny. When they teach us with fun. A student likes the teaching with fun. I was very interested in teaching. I was like, wow, this is nice. Why was I was hate the school when school is so fun to study?
Next participant is. It's my turn. Okay. Siddiqui Afia. दस्ते मासूम को वो लौहो कलम देता है, दस्ते मासूम को वो लौहो कलम देता है, नौनिहालों को वो कंदीले हरम देता है, बांटता फिरता है रोशनी सूरज की तरह, रोशनी बांटता फिरता है वो सूरज की तरह, डूबता है तो सितारों को जन्म देता है. Respected dignitaries, Saim sir, teachers and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Afia. A very warm good evening to one and all present here. Today, on this special occasion, we are gathered here to celebrate the silent warriors, the guiding lights and the builders of tomorrow, our teachers. And I am feeling proud to speak on the topic, teachers, the unsung heroes of society. When we think of heroes, we often picture famous people like warriors and celebrities. But the true heroes are those who work quietly behind the scene, shaping the mind and building the future. These are our teachers. Think about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He became the missile man of India, and behind his success were his teachers. His teacher taught him the importance of hard work and encouraged his love for science. Kalam often said that without the support of his teacher, he would not have reached such great heights. And what about Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Prize holder? Despite of facing severe threats from Taliban, she confidently advocated for girls' education. Her teachers motivated her and encouraged her to speak up against injustice and inspire millions around the world. Teachers are the ones who light the path when we are lost in the dark. They are the one who see potential when others see nothing. They are the one who shape dreams and mold minds. They are the one who build character and ignite passion. They are the unsung heroes of society. Khan Adnan. Okay, 21 Khan Adnan.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Song. खुल खुल गया एक दरवाज़ा दुनिया नहीं देखी, खुल गया एक दरवाज़ा दुनिया नहीं देखी, एक अजनबी ने सारी अपनी ज़िंदगी दे दी। खुल गया एक दरवाज़ा दुनिया नहीं देखी, एक अजनबी ने सारी अपनी ज़िंदगी दे दी।
Next participant is Ansari Zainab. She will present song. असातिज़ा इकराम, मोहतरम और मुअज़्ज़िज़ सामीन, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज यौम असातिज़ा के मौके पर मैं आप सबके सामने एक नज़्म पेश करने जा रही हूँ। समाअत फरमाए। है दुआ खुश रहे ज़ात उस्ताद की, दिन भला हो भली रात उस्ताद की। है दुआ खुश रहे ज़ात उस्ताद की, दिन भला हो भली रात उस्ताद की। सामानी सबा, she will deliver speech.
Assalamu alaikum to the respected teachers and the students who have came here. I am Samani Sabha. Today we gather to celebrate the pillars of our education, the guiding lights of our future and the unsung heroes of our society, our teachers. First of all, I want to thank to the Sam sir because today the place where I am standing is because of you sir, and I feel very lucky for having such an amazing teacher. You are not only my guider but also supporter who have supported me when I was not able to speak at all. But because of you, I am standing here. I feel very lucky for having such an amazing teacher. I can't describe you because this 3 minutes is not enough for me to be described you. And thank you to the teacher who have came here because of you, because of us. First of all, I want to say a small quote for everyone, for every teachers. The teachers are those who tell you to look, but they don't tell you where to see. Teachers are the light in the darkness who have supported in the dark and tell us what to do next and help us to come out from the situations and the setbacks we faced.
Siddiqui Khuzaima, he will present speech.
A good education can change everyone, but a good teacher can change everything. Respected judges, sir, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. A warm evening to everyone present here on this beautiful day. I am Siddiqui Khuzaima, a student of SS English Academy. First of all, happy Teachers Day to everyone. And my topic is teaching and important professions. There are many professions in the world nowadays and each of them plays an important role. And one of them is teaching. Without teaching the students, they can't become a successful person. Without teaching them, without making them learn something new, they can't become a knowledgeable or acceptable person. They won't be accepted in this era.
Next participant is Samani Ruby. She will deliver speech.
Assalamu alaikum, honorable teacher, respected sir, and all my dear friends. I am Samani Ruby. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, we are gathered here to celebrate the most selfless, the most courageous, and the most extraordinary individuals in our society, our teachers. As Nelson Mandela rightly said, a good teacher can instill a hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love for learning. You are that good teacher. You are the future. You are the guardians of our future. You are the sculptors of our mind. You are the beacon of hope. You are the beacon of hope in our lives. You have dedicated your life in shaping us, guiding us, and inspiring us to reach for the stars. You have been in our worst and at our best. You have been wiped our tears and calmed our fears and cheered us. You have been our mentors, our friends, and our family. But the most important thing you have taught us that the learning is not just about academics, but about life. That it's not about grades, but about growth. That it's not about knowledge, but about kindness.
Next is Khan Sufyan. He will deliver a speech.
Respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Hello everyone and good evening to all. I am Khan Sufyan Hashim and today we all are gathered here to celebrate a pillars of our education systems, our teacher. Teacher plays an important role in our life. They help us to concentrate in our study and achieve our goals. They also help us to become a successful person in our life. They see the potential in us and help us to achieve it. And they also help us to be a successful person in our life. As we all know that teachers are like a second parents. We just like parents help us in many ways. They care us, love us, and protect us from difficulties. But teacher do something more.
Sheikh Abdul Rahman. He will deliver a speech.
Respected teachers, honorable judge, and fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Abdul Rahman, student of SS Academy, standing in front of you. Dear listeners, today we all are gathered here to celebrate the selfless dedication and tireless efforts of our teacher. We honor the individuals who have shaped our minds, nurtured the growth, and inspired us to reach excellence. Our teachers are the pillar of a society. They are guiding us through the journey of knowledge and wisdom. They ignite the spark of curiosity, foster creativity, and instill values that last a lifetime. Teachers, they hold a special place in our hearts and minds. These incredible individuals dedicate their life to shape young minds and nurturing the future.
Pathan Bazega. She will deliver a speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Pathan Bazega in front of you, one of the students of SS English Academy. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate this special occasion to honor our respectful teachers as they play an important role in students' life. On 5th September every year, students deliver speeches for Teachers' Day to honor the mentor and the educator who shape young minds and the future generation. This tradition began in 1962, marking as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is a philosopher, educator, and the second president of our country. Our teacher is like a gardener who protects the plants. Just like a gardener who water the plant and protect the plant.
Next one is Ansari Hasna. She will deliver a speech. Okay, sorry. Last participant is Ansari Mohammad Tufail. Serial number 16.
Respected guests, teachers, and one and all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Ansari Tufail, the former student of SS English Academy. Here we gather today to celebrate the Teachers' Day. So first of all, Happy Teachers' Day. Today I am going to talk about on a topic which is close to my heart. Teachers are best. Teaching is a profession that often referred to as the noblest of profession, and for some good reasons. Teaching is a profession that shapes all other professions. It is the cornerstone of knowledge, the key to the progress, and the bridge to the success. Allow me to share some compelling reasons why teachers are best. So, first and foremost, teachers are architects of society. They mold young mind, nurture curiosity, and empower the next generation with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. Teachers impact on their students not for a year but for a lifetime, and this influence lives beyond school, college, university, and guides us through life's journey. Creation of a peaceful, civilized, and a conscious society is owed to a teacher. As Dr. Iqbal says, teachers are actual protector of nation because it is their duty to groom the future generation and make them capable of serving the country. Teachers are not just educators, they are also mentors, guides, and role models. They inspire their students to dream big and to pursue their passions. Teachers don't just teach subjects, they shape character. They provide an environment where we can learn, grow, and explore our potential.
Okay, we have done with all the students. So now we have some of the former students of SS English Academy who are sitting behind. So if you want to come and express your views, means how was your journey, what are the things you learned from SS English Academy, and how was your experience in Hindi, English, in any language, if you want to come and express your views, so please come and share your experience. Come on everyone, big round of applause for them. मरियम, आमिना, शमामा, फातिमा, यशब, और कोई है जिसका नाम मैं बोल रहा हूँ? ठीक है, मरियम, मोमिन मरियम, प्लीज क्लैप फॉर हर.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Momin Mariam in front of you, a former student of SS English Academy. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude and appreciation for our sir who has been an incredible mentor to me. Sam sir is not just a teacher who inspires us to reach our full potential. Also, his YouTube channel is a treasure trove of knowledge, and I have greatly benefited from his online resources. Sam sir turns complex concepts into interactive activities that's both challenging and supportive. I want to share my personal experience. Personally, I have experienced a remarkable transformation in my confidence, also my language skills. Still, I remember my first speech where I scored just 6 marks. But with his guidance, dedication, encouragement, I worked hard and preserved. After all, I scored 9.5 out of 10. These half marks may seem small, but it mean the world to me. And Sam sir is a catalyst for growth and improvement. Sam sir teaches us lots of things that we don't think. So again, I am saying Sam sir is not just a teacher. He is a catalyst for growth and self-improvement. A very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for listening me.
Next.
ये कह के मेरे उस्ताद ने मेरे हौसले बढ़ाए हैं, ये कह के मेरे उस्ताद ने मेरे हौसले बढ़ाए हैं. गमों की धूप के आगे खुशी के साए हैं. हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड टुडे, हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी ऑल्सो. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Shamama Ansari in front of you, and I am ex-student of SS English Academy. And wow, it's a precious moment for me because after so long time I am standing here with full of confidence because of one and only my teacher Sam sir. Sir, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and all those opportunities which make me as a better person in my life. Thank you so much. Believe me, friends, before joining this class, my confidence was zero. I have learned a lot from this class. My skills are developed here, my vocabulary, personality, and my confidence also developed here. And my English is much, much better. Now I am able to speak in English front of crowd and front of everyone without any fear. It is possible because Sam Sir's motivations. Sir, best motivational speaker you are. Thank you so much for motivating me and pushing me. You know, when I feel some motivation, when I stuck any kind of situation, I take my phone and send to message Sam Sir, Sir, I have this problem. What can I do? Believe me, sir, give me a best suggestion for my future. And boom, my problems was solved. I want to just try to say, friends, you have a great opportunity. So take advantage from opportunity, learn from new something from Sam Sir's side, because sirs have a lots of knowledge and experience also. You know, when I joined this class, when I was in these classes, sir always say, do something new, do some activity, make yourself busy in a good work. Do mistakes again and again and learn from your mistakes. And make a good friends, be positive always. Good friends is very important for our life because good people give you good advice, right? So remember it. And I give you a suggestion, guys. Don't miss this stage. Friday speech, even any activities, please don't miss. If you miss single opportunity, you feel regret. It is my experience. It was my experience in these classes in a few words, which I share with you guys in a few words. If I describe Sam Sir's value and all the teachers' value, so I have short meaning words. I can't describe teachers' value in a word because we don't know how much efforts they put into make us as a human being, as a person. वो कहते हैं ना अपने शागिर्द को मंजिल का पता देता है, वो कहते हैं ना अपने शागिर्द को मंजिल का पता देता है, ऐसा दिल भी खुदा सबको कहाँ देता है, ये जानता है ज़माना खूब सारा, है उस्ताद ही जो है उस्ताद ही, सॉरी आई एम डिस्ट्रैक्ट, जो
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Momin Amina, the former student of SS English Academy. Before proceeding towards my word, I really want to say that these words are not enough to describe Sam Sir and SS English Academy. When I still see how was I before, I really want to say that there was one day when Sam Sir was so tired, the day of 15th of August, when entire day we were in these classes, and I think that was, I saw that Sam Sir had put his 100% of the efforts in all those things. Like we were fully energetic, but Sam Sir had really tired he was, but he made that effort for all of us, for building our confidence, for building us, for building our vocabulary. And if you talk about English language, there is no words, because when I look back, I did not had that courage to speak up in such crowd, but now I have. This is all because of you, Sam Sir. Thank you so much.
Next.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Momin Fatima Zahra, and today I'm going to say a few words about the Sam Sirs. ओके सो कैसे हैं आप सब? ओके सो मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँगी आज। मुझे पहले इंग्लिश में इतनी दिलचस्पी नहीं थी, मैं इतना ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं किया करती थी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में, लेकिन जब मैंने ये क्लास पहली बार ज्वाइन की तो इस क्लास के ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो पहली चीज़ मुझ में डेवलप हुई है वो था इंग्लिश बोलने में कॉन्फिडेंस। क्योंकि उर्दू में तो कई मर्तबा तकारीर वगैरह की है, लेकिन इंग्लिश में इस तरह से कहीं तकारीर वगैरह नहीं की गई। लेकिन जब मैंने यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट किया तो मुझे कई इनामात से नवाजा गया और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला। दूसरी बात ये कि सर ने सिर्फ हमें इंग्लिश बोलने में ही बहुत ही बेहतर नहीं बनाया है, बल्कि बहुत से कामों में सर ने हमें बेहतर बनाया है। पर्सनली मैंने जब सर का अखलाक देखा तो मुझ में एक अलग सी, कहते हैं ना, एक अलग सी सोच पैदा हुई सर की किताब में। और सर जिस तरह से जो भी मैसेजेस हम तक पहुंचाते हैं, जो भी पैगामात देते हैं, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि बहुत गहराई होती है उनमें बहुत डीपली। सर का एक ऐसा तरीका है जो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हर एक में होता है, या होता है तो बहुत कम मैंने देखा है। लेकिन जब मैंने सर की किताबें वगैरह पढ़ी तो मुझे लगा कि सर ने ना हर एक चीज़ बहुत ही डीप में बयां की है अपनी किताब में, और जो कि अक्सर लोग नहीं किया करते। क्योंकि एक अच्छा स्पीकर, एक अच्छा टीचर या एक अच्छा राइटर वो होता है जो अपनी बात दूसरों तक आसानी से पहुंचा सके। और मैंने वो चीज़ें सर में देखी हैं, और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सर बहुत ही ज़्यादा गहराई में हर एक बात बयान करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें जो कहीं ना कहीं हम फंसे रहते हैं कि क्या मतलब है इस बात का, कश्मकश में मुब्तला रहते हैं। तो हमें ये सब इतना सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, सीधी सादी बात सर एकदम अच्छे लफ्ज़ों में बयान कर देते हैं। और सर की शायरी वगैरह भी बड़ी मोटिवेशनल होती है, जिससे अगर हम कहीं किसी मुसीबत में मुब्तला हैं या कुछ भी हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि हम उस सिचुएशन से निकल नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो इस तरह की शायरी वगैरह सुनने से हम उस सिचुएशन से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बाहर निकल सकते हैं। और आखिरी में मैं साइम सर का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने आज मुझे इनवाइट किया, और मैं दिल से शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि आज मैं जो यहाँ खड़ी हूँ आपकी बदौलत खड़ी हूँ। और मुझे कभी ऐसा अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि लाइफ में मेरे इस तरह के टीचर भी होंगे कभी के, मतलब क्या बोलूँ, अल्फाज नहीं है मेरे पास। अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। मैं अपनी जर्नी जो साइम सर से मुलाकात हुई थी वो आपसे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मेरी मुलाकात साइम सर से अंसारी साफिया गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल में हुई थी। मैंने पहले भी कई टीचर से मुलाकात की, बट हर टीचर साइम सर की तरह नहीं है। साइम सर बहुत फ्रेंडली थे और मैं बहुत शौक थी कि इतने बेहतरीन टीचर, और उसके बाद से मेरी ज़िंदगी बदलना शुरू हुई। मैं साइम सर से मिलने के पहले और साइम सर का कोर्स करने से पहले एक बहुत ही कमज़ोर और ज़ीरो लेवल एटीट्यूड वाली गर्ल्स थी, बट सर ने मुझे पॉजिटिव गर्ल बनाया है। सर ने मेरे अंदर इतनी हिम्मत दी है कि मैं आज आप लोगों के सामने बोल रही हूँ। मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि साइम सर के अल्फाज जब मैं डिप्रेस्ड होती हूँ मेरे लिए मुआवजा बनते हैं और मुझे बहुत हिम्मत देते हैं। साइम सर इज़ ब्लेसिंग ऑफ अल्लाह फॉर मी। थैंक यू सर एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
और आप में से कोई कुछ बोलना चाहता है? गर्ल्स में, बॉयज़ में? Now I would like to call on stage the judge of today's program, and I request her to please express her views about the program and share her experience. Everyone please clap for the madam.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। First of all, I would like to thank Sam sir for inviting me as today's judge of the program. Thank you, Sam sir, for having me here. And I would like to wish Sam sir a very happy Teachers' Day. All of you spoke very well. So let's have an applaud for all of you. Please clap for yourselves. Okay? Right? Winning is not the point. The point is that you all came here and you chose to speak. So that's the big thing. Okay? It takes a lot of courage to come and stand in front of the mic, in front of the podium, and speak in front of a lot of audiences, right? And I think Sam sir is doing that job very well. I know sir for quite few years from now, and sir is training all of you step by step, right, through thick and thin, to speak well, and is developing your personalities, is nurturing you. So you all are very lucky that you have such an institute that is molding your personalities and helping you to grow each day, right? And as you all have mentioned in your speeches, that teachers are special pillars of the society. Teaching is a profession that creates all the other professions, and many more things that you spoke about your teachers, that you respect them, you love them. So I hope that you do it in your life as well, right? It's just not in your words, it's in your actions too. Because I've seen that everybody, when it's come to speaking, everybody speaks very well. Even I can speak very well. But then when it comes to actions, nobody implies it. So it's better that what we speak is seen in our actions, right? Because actions speak louder than words, right? You have heard it. And all of you spoke very well. Some of you forgot. It's okay. Don't think that I forgot today, so I'm not going to try tomorrow. It's okay. If you forget today, you're going to do it. You're going to do well tomorrow. But the point is that you keep on trying and you keep on learning from your own mistakes. Okay? So once again, congratulations to everybody who spoke here. Do not get disheartened if you don't win today. Okay? The point is that you spoke, you chose to speak, and congratulate yourself and celebrate your success. Okay? Thank you.
With inspirational lines, I would like to start my short speech. अगर रास्ते में आ रहे हैं जो नदी नाले ना देख, रास्ते में आ रहे हैं जो नदी नाले ना देख, अगर मंजिल की चाह है तो पाँव के छाले ना देख. So with these lines, I would like to say something in front of you about the importance of teachers, as you have already spoken a lot of things. But here, as a teacher, it's my responsibility. It's our program, it's our institute. So I would like to share some of the views, some of the experiences which I experienced in my life as a teacher. I would like to share with you, and I want your close attention. So everyone, please pay attention here. So as most of the students spoke about the importance of teachers, कि teachers का हमारी life में क्या important role होता है, हमें teachers की respect करना चाहिए और teachers को value देना चाहिए, right? और teachers हमारी life में एक बहुत important role play करते हैं. Everyone knows that, right? How many of you really respect your teacher from your heart? Okay, put down your hand. One more question I have for you. How many of you have never ever disrespected your teacher? Be honest. Never? Okay, clap for yourself then. I would like to share you one story. एक दफ़ा अल्लामा इकबाल सियालकोट में एक दुकान के पास खड़े थे और एक पैर में उनके जूता था, एक पैर में जूता नहीं था, एक जूता ज़मीन पर था. इत्तेफाक से उनके उस्ताद सैयद मीर हसन शाह का वहाँ से गुज़र हुआ. अब जैसे ही उनकी नज़र अपने उस्ताद पर पड़ी, फ़ौरन झुककर उनको सलाम किया और अदब के साथ उनके पीछे चलने लगे. और हालत ये थी कि एक पैर में जूता है, एक पैर में जूता नहीं था, और घर तक उनको छोड़ के आए और उसके बाद दोबारा वहाँ पर आके अपना जूता पहना. उस्ताद हमारे माशरे की सबसे काबिल कदर शख्सियत है, बट बहुत अफसोस के साथ ये कहना पड़ रहा है कि दौर हाजिर में उस्ताद का अदब और एहतराम भुला दिया गया। जैसे एक स्टूडेंट का फ़र्ज़ होता है कि वो टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट करे, वैसे कहीं ना कहीं एक उस्ताद का भी फ़र्ज़ होता है कि वो जो स्टूडेंट्स टैलेंटेड है, जिनके अंदर वो एक जोश है कुछ करने का, कुछ बनने का, उनको प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करे। आज मैं देखता हूँ कि बहुत सारे ऐसे टीचर्स भी हैं जिनके स्टूडेंट्स बहुत टैलेंटेड है, बट एक्चुअल में वो उनको वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दे रहे। जैसे आज हमने फॉर्मर स्टूडेंट्स को भी बुलाया, अभी तुफैल ने स्पीच दी। इन्होंने कोर्स कब कंप्लीट किया था तुफैल आपने? लास्ट ईयर, 1 साल हो गया। आज ये आपके सब पीछे जो बैठे हैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने इनको भी बोला था, बट इनके एग्ज़ाम चल रहे तो ये लोग ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया, लेकिन एटलीस्ट ये लोग प्रोग्राम में आए। ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाया था। तो एसएस इंग्लिश एकेडमी के थ्रू हम कहीं ना कहीं वो सारे स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने 2015 में, 16 में, 18 में, 20 में, 22 में कोर्स कंप्लीट किया था, उनको इनवाइट करते रहते, प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करते रहते, ताकि उनके अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस बना रहे। तो एज अ टीचर, एक टीचर की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि अपने स्टूडेंट्स जो उसके टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको कहीं ना कहीं वो अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करता रहे, उनको मौका देता रहे। सो वी हैव 2-3 थर्ड प्राइज, 2 second prizes and 2 first prizes, starting with third one. So I request Aisha madam to please come on the stage, and we are going to start with third prize, which goes to, देखो स्पीच में पार्टिसिपेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा थे और 3-4 लोगों ने सॉन्ग प्रेजेंट किया। सो एज पर योर परफॉर्मेंस प्राइजेस डिवाइड किया मैडम ने। तो थर्ड प्राइज़ जिनको गया है उन्होंने सॉन्ग प्रेजेंट किया था, एंड हर नेम इज़ Ansari Zainab. Clap for her. मैडम आपके फ़ोन में फ़ोटो ले लेते ना, मेरा रिकॉर्डिंग आप मुझे बाद में देते हैं। Everyone please clap for Zainab for getting third prize. One more third prize we have, and it goes to a person who gave a speech, and his name is Khan Sufyan. ट्रॉफी का कलर आपकी शर्ट से मैच हो गया। सेकेंड प्राइज गोज़ टू अगेन इन स्पीच, एंड हिज नेम इज़ सिद्दीकी खुजैमा। One more second prize we have, and it goes to Sheikh Abdul Rahman. Sheikh Abdul Rahman. First prize. We have 2 first prizes, and I would like to start with second first prize, which goes to a girl or a boy. So who will get in boys? Ansari Tufail. Clap for him for his wonderful speech. Medal. Keep clapping. This is first prize. First prize, and it goes to the host of the program, Siddiqui Afia. Clap for her. Thank you so much, ma'am. Those students who could not get prizes, no worries. We will have lot of opportunities in future. Sometimes because of some minor mistakes, you're not able to get the prize. But coming here speaking something, we have more than 60 students. But still, you spoke, you came and you spoke. I think I can say that you all are the winners. Right? अब आप बोलोगे सर आप हर बार यही बोलते हो. But believe me, if not today, then tomorrow you will get the prizes. No worries. स्टेज पर आके बोलना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. हर किसी के अंदर वो जज्बा नहीं है, हर किसी के अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. क्योंकि आप देख रहे हो आपके कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 60+ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ 22 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो आप सोच सकते हो कि मतलब आपके अंदर कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है, कितना पैशन है ना. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस आना ज़रूरी है. प्राइज़ तो आज नहीं तो कल मिल जाएगा, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस एक बार आपके अंदर आ गया तो आप अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर लोगे. ओके, नाउ वी हैव सम चॉकलेट्स फॉर यू एंड वी वुड लाइक टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट. जस्ट हैव दिस चॉकलेट्स एंड after that prize winners have to come on the platform and we will have a group photo with prize winners. Thank you so much.